If you guys have a Prius and you wanted to upgrade those headlights because they're so bad, this video is for you. I'm gonna upgrade it to the Ultra 3. It's an all new bulb from GTR Lighting. It's one of the best and the brightest bulbs. It's super easy to get it installed on your low beams and your high beams. So follow me, let's get rolling. The third generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact, with an internal driver, providing 4,700 lumens of luminosity output with effortless installation. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. Just remember, LED headlight bulbs are not street legal in the USA, and we advise you to not drive with these installed on public roads. In off-road settings, these are fine to use, but using bulbs this bright on the street may be uncomfortable to other drivers. Now, I know you would be tempted to buy just any bulb that's a very good price from Amazon, eBay, or somewhere else. However, it's super important to get a bulb that's actually been tested, one that's actually replicating that wire-wound filament in your original halogen bulbs, because you don't want to scatter the light all over the place. The last thing you want is the light all over the place so you're getting blinded by oncoming drivers, they're flashing you, or it's aiming too far to the ground, providing too much foreground, and then blinding you. It's gonna keep you from being able to see the long distance light output that you need to see to keep you safer on the road. It's really important to get a bulb like this, and GTR Lighting has done a very good job of making it really refined. For low beam, you've got a projector, and then for high beam in these headlights, it's a reflector-based housing, which essentially means there's a bunch of mirrors in it. So what I want to do now is I want to just take this bulb and I'm going to compare it to the OEM halogen bulb and the bulbs that came out by GTR Lighting years ago, the GTR Lighting Ultra 2. I'm going to back this vehicle up about 10 meters from the wall. I'm going to use a digital lux meter to measure the actual usable brightness. That's the brightest point on the wall of your halogen bulb. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the Ultra 2, the Ultra 3 to give you guys the difference in numbers and show you how much brighter these are than these. All right, so straight away, this is what your Prius stock halogen low beam looks like. At the brightest point on this wall using the digital lux meter, I only measured 151.8 maximum lux. That is trash. Obviously, also pay attention to the color. That is not what we like. We hate the OEM halogen bulb. It's gotta go. It's a thing of the past and it's not gonna keep you safer. Now, years ago, the GTR Lighting Ultra 2 bulb came out and it was 281% brighter at that time. In this case, I measured 579 maximum lux. I include the Ultra 2 to show you just how much better the Ultra 3 bulb is versus the Ultra 2, which was one of the best bulbs in the world. The Ultra 3 on low beam, I measured 877 maximum lux at the brightest point. Not only is the color better, not only is that width better, not only is it more refined and more comfortable to drive with, but it's also 478% brighter than your stock halogen low beam. On high beam, this is what your stock halogen high beam looked like. Yes, it does so much better. I measured 617 maximum lux. The Ultra 2 was wild, still 200% brighter at 1,853 maximum lux. In this test specifically, the Ultra 3 on high beam was 3,468, so 462% brighter. The Ultra 3 high beam is insane in your Prius. If you want to see as far down the road as humanly possible, using the Ultra 3 bulb is going to make that happen. It's pretty amazing to see that much light improvement by simply changing out the bulbs. It takes no more than a few minutes to get them installed. I'm going to show you that now. If you don't need help at all by installing this, go to headlightrevolution.com right now to get your Ultra 3 bulbs. They are flying off the shelves quite literally because they are so popular. They are the best and brightest bulb I've ever tested out of many bulbs. We've tested hundreds on this channel. They're better than every single one of those. I will put my name out there and say it's the best bulb you could purchase today. All right, let's get to the install. All you gotta do is first pop your hood and then make your way. I'm gonna start on the driver's side, reach down on the back side of the headlight, remove the stock bulb, which is an H11 bulb, disconnect it from your OEM wiring. And then just grab the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 H11 bulb, plug it into your OEM wiring, and plug it back into the back side of the headlight housing. Do the exact same thing for high beam. High beam's in the center, it's a little bit easier to reach. Reach in, turn it counterclockwise, pull it away, and disconnect it. It is a 9005 bulb. Grab your 9005 Ultra 3 bulb, plug it into the OEM connection, put it back in the back side of the housing, turn it clockwise till it locks in place, and you're good to go. Once you're done with the install, you gotta make sure that it's aimed and aligned properly. The last thing you want is it to be sitting in your housing of the front end of your vehicle like this. It needs to be something like this, where the LEDs are shooting horizontally and the cord is coming down. If it's not out of the box, aimed like this, you need to just take the included Allen key here and locate the little screw. It's gonna be underneath this rubber grommet here. You're gonna reach it in, and you're gonna loosen this screw. You're not going to take it out completely. Just loosen it and you're good to go. Then, as you can see here, this entire collar moves. When this collar moves, you can align it properly. You might have to try it a few times. Tighten that collar back down, put it back in your housing so it sits just like this. That way you're not gonna blind oncoming drivers and you're gonna get the most useful beam pattern out there. The best part about the Ultra 3 bulb is that they have a lifetime warranty from GTR Lighting, so you're never gonna have to worry about them burning out. You never have to buy another set for as long as you own your Prius. The Ultra 3 bulb is out now. It's the best product to install on the front end of your vehicle. Not to mention, it looks a lot better than your stock halogen bulbs. Go to headlightrevolution.com right now to get a bulb that's truly gonna keep you safer when you're driving at night.